I'm gonna call Jimmy Butler and ask him to wire me $2 million. Okay.
You're?
Sama G.
What's happening?
Man, I don't know. I need you.
What's up?
Bro, I'm so dumb. Yesterday, I bought a $2 million chain, but Valentina didn't know. So, bro, just help me, bro. At least help me with a wire, and I'll pay you tonight.
You need two?
Yeah, two, but...
I got you. Just send me your wire info. I'll send it to you.
Nipige. Okay. Hello, Noxy. Naomba nisaidie na 10,000. Na shida na 10,000.
Nini wewe?
10,000 nitakurudishia ni this evening. Na shida nayo tu mara moja hapo, kuna kitu nilikuwa nataka kununua. Niko short 10,000. Naomba nisaidie.
Yaani unahisi mimi natumia hela kwenye MT?
Noxy 10K.